here, and today we are doing something super fun. So I noticed that there have been some requests on the blog for some DIY projects, and I know that I have not been doing those recently, so I'm here to give you guys exactly what you asked for. Today's DIY project is going to be a shoe makeover. I'll be using these shoes that I got from Five Below for $5. I'm going to also be using some Sharpies. I may be using some other embellishments. Those are really just the few things I'm using. I'm also going to be using the laces that came with the shoes. If you would prefer to use different colored laces, you can buy those. I found some at Walmart, but you can probably find those in various different places. This is gonna be a craft with me video, probably gonna be kind of short in terms of like I'm not gonna talk very much. It's just gonna be kind of like the transformation and all that magical good stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So there's really only like two basic steps to this for the way that I'm doing it anyway. Now, these shoes that I'm making are probably just going to be for fun, and they're not really going to be for heavy wear or use. So I feel comfortable using Sharpies and other embellishments because I'm probably only going to be wearing these for like photos and stuff, so it's not a big deal. If you want to make more durable shoes that you want them to make sure that they don't like run or anything like that when it's wet outside and the colors don't go everywhere, I would suggest fabric paint and probably some sort of fabric sealant so you can know that the paint and everything won't run. But I'm just going to use Sharpies today because I just want a pair of cute shoes that are just for fun. So there's really only two steps to this method for me, and that is to completely blank the shoes, which I've done. So what I did is take out the laces and prepped the shoes. I'm going to do a once over with a lint roller to get anything off of them. And then the other step is literally just to decorate them. I might be doing a quick clip of me relacing them at the end, but I'm not sure yet. So I'll see about that. But these shoes I'm going to theme around OFT. So let's get started. we've reached the end of the DIY. So I made a mismatched but matched pair of shoes. So on this side, first and foremost, I mismatched them because on the toes, facing me, it says Ciao, Lovelies. And then on the laces, I added letter beads, so it says Lunaria, moon. And then on each one, there is a swap, which is that the trim on this one is rainbow, but the lace is black. And on this one, the trim is black and the lace is rainbow. But on there's a few details that line up, which is these little fake safety pins on the edges of those, as well as the sides, which have monster tabs. And then each one has something different for OFT. This one has a rainbow OFT heart. And the side of this one says, stay awesome. Overall project, I have a brand new pair of shoes and I've spent a rainy afternoon creating something wonderful, and it cost me a little over $10. So if you ever want to do like a Kidcore shoe project, I mean, Five Below's got some good candidates for that. And these seem really good, and like I said, if you're planning on making them more durable, not like just an art thing, then I would suggest getting fabric paint and then fabric sealant to ensure that they don't like melt, essentially, like the colors don't like run during like rain, for example. I could not take these out in the rain. That is an absolute guarantee. I know that for a fact. So that is my shoe makeover. Thank you, Lovelies, so much for watching. If you like this video, please click that little thumbs up button underneath that says like. I mean, I don't think it says like, but you know what I mean. Hit the like button. If you want to see more content that is kawaii, kidcore, scenecore, fun, check out this channel. If you love the content you're seeing, please subscribe. We are trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So that's going to be my new goal. So I'm very, very excited to see what comes next for this channel because I've been doing so many little fun projects for y'all. Comment today. Here is your question. Hello, are you Team Ciao or Team Lovelies? That's a good one for this one. Are you Team Ciao or Team Lovelies? Please leave me a comment about that in the comments below. If you have any video requests, please leave those in the comments below and I will try to do my best to get to those. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to stay awesome and love yourself. You are amazing and awesome and fantastic, and there's no one else like you in this entire world. So, stay awesome. Remember to love yourself, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Lovelies!